Hey everybody, welcome to Reading the Bible to Cats. Sorry, the image of Henry is not too good because the lighting is really dark and it's such a close up. Henry, could you look into the camera? Henry! Henry! Hen- okay, yeah, that's better. Good boy! Wow, what a beautiful close up! What a beautiful. Okay, well, let's read Psalm 121. I lift up my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. He will not let your foot slip. He who watches over you will not slumber. Indeed, he who watches over Israel will neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord watches over you. The Lord is your shade at your right hand. The sun will not harm you by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life. The Lord will watch over your coming and going, both now and forevermore. Okay, everyone, that's the end of Psalm 121. Sorry you're only seeing Henry's fur. Let me see if he'll turn around. Henry! Henry, turn around. Thank you. Well, that's a beautiful psalm. And it's comforting in these times that are fraught with so much turmoil and war and rumors of wars and violence. But just to know that God watches over Israel, and He neither slumbers nor sleeps, and He watches over you and me, and He knows our coming and our going, both now and forevermore. Well, let's say a prayer. Sorry, everybody, that this is like bad cinematography. Henry. Okay, that's a little better. Just look at that cute face while I say a prayer. Lord, thank you that you watch over us and that you're. Oops, my camera's slipping. That you care about us in a very deep, intimate way. That you know our coming and our going, and that you do protect Israel. It's, all over your word. I mean, it's like, hello, you can't avoid it. It's the truth. It's who you are. I mean, you're the God of Israel, and you're the God who saves, and you save all who turn to you from every nation. Lord, well, I don't know. I feel like I have to confess my anxiety before you. So I confess my anxiety and just ask that you would help me to trust you. And I pray for everybody, Lord, my YouTube friends and people who tune in, that you would answer their prayers and bless them in a special way, Lord. And assure them that you are with them and that you watch over them and you know they're coming and they're going, and that you will keep them from all harm. And ultimately, they are in the palm of your hand and their souls are safe with you. pray for the peace of Jerusalem and for the peace of Israel. I pray for the hostages that remain, that they would feel your presence wherever they are, Lord, that they would feel your presence and your love in a supernatural way. I pray for just the Lebanese Christians, that you protect them and, the innocent civilians. And pray for the Iranian Christians too, that you would protect them. And I pray for a toppling of that evil regime that's supporting terrorism. And I pray, Lord, for peace and for your light to shine in the darkness and for your love to reign victorious. And pray for my country, that there wouldn't be any craziness during this election cycle or violence, and for a peaceful transfer of power. And I pray for Messiah to return. And I pray all these things in Yeshua HaMashiach's name, in Jesus' name. Amen. All right, everybody, this is a terrible video in terms of what you're seeing. Henry, I need to see your face. Sorry, everyone. You're just seeing, like, Henry's fur. Hold on, let me see if I can. Can you turn, please? Hello? Yes, thank you. That's very nice. All right, everybody. Bye.